All right, you guys, in the last video, we talked about how to buy your first cryptocurrency. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to convert that first purchase into any other cryptocurrency that you may want to hold. Here's everything you need to know. Let's go. Okay, so trading your first crypto, this is when you convert one coin into a different coin. For example, we bought Bitcoin in that first example. Let's now trade that Bitcoin into Ether, or let's convert BNB into Bitcoin, or let's convert Ether into BNB. Any of those scenarios, that's what we're talking about in this video. And to get us started, I'm going to show you the simplest way to do this. Okay, so I'm on the Binance homepage right now, and I don't need to use this middle button that says buy now. I don't need to buy new crypto. I need to exchange and convert my crypto and trade it. So I'm going to go to trade, and then I'm going to click on convert, which is the first drop down right there. And then it is going to pull up this basically conversion window for us. And so as you can see, I currently have 43.4 USDT. That is Tether. That is the stable coin that is pegged to the US dollar. So realistically, it's about $43 US. I also have a couple other coins in my wallet right now. I don't have any Bitcoin right now. I do have some BNB. I have 1.219 BNB. So we could use anything that I have. I can pull it up here and we can use that. So let's use BNB right now because I have the most of it. And let's convert it into Ethereum. I could choose any other crypto that I want here, but for this example, let's use Ethereum. And so let's convert 10% of one BNB coin. I think right now they're trading around $500 or $600, so it'll be about $50, $60 USD. So we're going to go 0.1 BNB, and that's going to convert into Ethereum. So what we're going to do is click on preview conversion. It's going to basically give us a quote here, and as you can see, it's got a countdown. I have a countdown on the screen right now, and that is my quote for converting BNB into Ethereum. If that countdown gets all the way to 0, it means that that quote expires, and I need to refresh and get a new quote. It means that the price has probably changed since they gave me the last quote. Okay, so I clicked on refresh. I've got a new quote right here, and if I click on convert like I'm going to do right now, it is going to process, and as you can see right there, it is now successful. I will spend 1 BNB, and I converted it into 0.02 Ethereum. Here's the conversion rate and the price at which I converted, and then when I click on view status, it is going to take me to my trade history, and I can see right here that on 2020-04-18, I converted BNB and Ethereum from BNB 0.1 or 10% of a BNB coin into Ethereum, which gave me an amount of 0.02 Ethereum, and this was the price and the conversion rate, and you can see the status was successful. So now I've gone in there and I've converted BNB into Ethereum. Very, very simply, I've turned one cryptocurrency into the other, and now if I go to my wallet and I go to overview, I should see Ethereum in my wallet. You can see it right there, Ethereum Classic. And if I go to Fiat and Spot, you can see that that Ethereum has now been added to my account. I now have 0.03 Ethereum. I must have had less than that earlier on. So, oh, there you go. I had $81 in Ethereum in there now, and I only sent in about $50 or $60 in USD. So I transferred about $20. So I had about $20 in the account beforehand. So this is where you can see the results of your transfers. If you want to see your performance over time, like I said, everything is right there. And if you want to see the history of your conversions, you just go over here to orders and then you go convert history, and it will show you all of the conversion history that you have made. And as you can see, that trade is right here again. So if you want to trade one currency into the other, the easiest and simplest way will be to go to the trade button here and then click on convert and choose the currency that you have and then choose the currency that you want to convert it into. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to send and receive cryptocurrencies.